So what if I said the fancy Scandi facelift you wanted to give your home didn't have to stay in your head? Well, we all know IKEA is a great place for Scandi cool on a budget, but there are certain pieces that compete with the more expensive equivalents, and I've sourced my favorites for you. As a Scandi interior design channel, I'm super excited to jump into this one. First on the list is the IKEA Allar Cabinet. It's an incredibly stunning piece that will bring a classic air of luxury to any room you put it in. The cabinet has a smooth finish and comes in a variety of colors. The chest is a solid piece of furniture with softwood doors and drawers with golden handles. It also comes with a glass upper cabinet if that's what would suit your tastes. At $449, it's ridiculously cheap for a cabinet that offers this much value. I've seen similar ones that are 2 times more expensive. Second on the list is the Buskbo Raton armchair with cushion. The armchair is a masterclass in Scandinavian styling. Made of beautifully finished hand-woven rattan, supported by a cushion, giving it an airy, natural feel. The armchair is best suited for the outdoors. It works just as well indoors, though, and is pretty much suited for any environment. At $249, it's a lot of value for the price, especially when you factor in the versatility of the chair. Again, this is something you wouldn't be surprised to cost $490 at a design store. Third on the list of affordable finds, the Pax closet system. It's a custom closet for far less of the cost. It's completely DIY, and you build it from the ground up more or less to your tastes. The size, the arrangements, the orientation, the accessories, all up to you. The prices of the closet system vary wildly, but the cheaper closets go for about $320, much less than custom closets typically cost. If you're worried about figuring out how to build your closet after the parts get delivered, you can always refer to the Pax Planner online as a useful guide. What I love about this is it can really be made to work perfectly to the space, making it feel more expensive than it is. Next on the list is another outdoor piece, the Solaron modular corner sofa. It's just $240. That's insanely cheap if you know how expensive outdoor sofas usually are. The seats are constructed from powder-coated steel frames, so you know it's super sturdy. It is covered in beautifully patterned hand-woven plastic rattan with a very pleasant, textured feel. It comes in just 2 colors, though, brown and dark gray. This sofa isn't just aesthetics either, it comes with storage space under the seat. The sofa doesn't need maintenance, and the seats are water repellent. It's a steal if we've ever seen one. Only thing to keep in mind is that the seat cushions are sold separately. This feels like an easy way to add a touch of class to your outdoor setting. If you're looking for some sleek modern dining chairs, though, our next pick is perfect for you. The Allar Chair takes sleekness and elegance to another level. The seat shell is designed to maximize your comfort. The seats come padded with finely finished upholstery and standing on 4 polished beech wood legs. The entire look of the chair is beautiful, top to bottom. The chair comes into 2 major varieties too, with their seat shells either clear or covered in fabric. If you're looking for something more versatile though, you should consider the swivel chair option. Both fall in the $200 to $250 price range, so they're still pretty affordable, with design store counterparts. What goes with a dining chair? A dining table. And the Doxta pedestal table is one of the best in the market considering just how cheap it is. It is a tulip table for those who know how expensive those normally are. It's a favorite owing to its clean form and elegant design. The soft edges on the table balance out its sophistication with a casual, homely look. It's great for space management, large enough for a small family gathering, but small enough to fit in the bedroom. It comes in a variety of colors, but most people prefer black and white. Most tulip tables cost upwards of $1,000, but this one is a pocket-friendly $280. Next on the list, a Bornas Birch nightstand. Ordinarily, it would look like any plain old nightstand, but the intricate Scandinavian craftsmanship makes it look classy as hell. It's a simple but elegant piece, made almost entirely of solid birchwood apart from the leather handle on its dresser. It has great proportions for space management and will comfortably fit in anywhere, both in terms of functionality and aesthetics. It comes in 2 colors, black and a light, creamy brown. The price varies depending on the model you're buying, but it falls within the $200 price range. The last furniture piece we'll be discussing is another versatile storage space, the Ivar shelf unit with doors. This is one of the biggest pieces of furniture we've talked about so far, and one of the more magnificent. It's also one of IKEA's newer products. Shelves with mesh doors like this are usually really pricey, but Ivar shelf unit is a mere fraction of the average price of similar products. The shelf units come in a wide variety of sizes and configurations. The shelf is purely organic, a plus for people who prefer natural products. The shelves are made of pine wood and the meshes are woven bamboo. The prices of this product vary with size, but the lower-end shelves cost about $235 to $265. Now we're moving on to textile products. The first one we'll be discussing is the Argos Lev Flatwoven Rug. It could be your office, your home. The rug is versatile enough to work almost anywhere and on every type of floor. The flatwoven rug is extremely soft and machine washable, so cleaning is super convenient. The Argos Lev Flatwoven Rug has the look of the types you'd normally only find in expensive design shops while being just $10. Next on the list, Sella room darkening curtains. Velvet stores of this quality will cost you upwards of 3 times in other stores. These curtains come in a variety of colors, every single one guaranteed to step up your room's aesthetics. If you're feeling trendy, you could try out the dark blue. Ignoring the fact that it's trendy right now, dark blue is a royal color, and choosing it alone would go a long way in adding a classy, aristocratic feel to your living space. At $70, the curtains are a pretty affordable set. The last textile product we'll be discussing is the silver Arve table runner. An impressive piece. The table accessory is organically made, hand-woven from cotton and jute. It has a smooth, natural feel and comes in one singular color scheme, beige cotton with light blue jute fringes. It's a very tasteful piece that is a popular go-to tablecloth for special occasions. Its presence elevates every dining experience, making mealtime feel like feasting at a 5-star restaurant. All this for the small price of $17. This rest of the video will focus more on Scandi decor accessories. The first we will discuss is probably one of the most alluring pieces of this entire video, the Rattan mirror. This $40 piece will steal the show anywhere it's placed. It has an old-timey regal quality to it, like something you'd see in a Michelangelo painting. The star of the show is the high-quality workmanship on the mirror's rattan exterior, with patterns weaved to perfection. The braided detail on the weaving makes it a great choice for sprucing up the look of any living space. It would beautify any part of the home it's placed in, from the bedroom to the walkways to the living room entrance. Next accessory on the list is another stylish find, the Lum Vacin Frame. These frames feature a clear plastic protector as an affordable alternative to the more popular glass frames. These frames are just as durable and will protect your favorite pictures and art pieces from damage. Doesn't matter if it's from the elements, playful kids, and troublesome pets. The Lum Vacin Frame has you covered. Plus, they come in a variety of sizes and colors, so there's guaranteed to be a match for any living space. In terms of aesthetics, the frames have a refined minimalist, modern look. $15 is an amazing deal for a product this good. Our next pick just about screams luxury. We're referring to the Const vase. The vase is made of textured glass and handcrafted by artisans. The polished frosted glass finish and the quality of the glass vase projects culture and high status. If you were told to guess its price, you would never in a million years guess that it was $25. It's a great centerpiece for displaying your flower bouquets, but it's also beautiful enough to brighten up your living space on its own. Our final affordable pick is the type of accessory that everyone associates with high class and splendor. I'm talking, of course, about the Centerl pendant bamboo lamp. The lampshade was created by the legendary interior designer Ilse Crawford, intricately woven from bamboo lattice. The product is best suited for more casual environments. The pendant bamboo lamp makes you feel at home in any room with its warm, welcoming glow and aesthetically exciting decorative patterns. For the price of $90, you'd be getting high-quality workmanship and introducing a breezy ambiance into your living space. And that's all the IKEA products we'll be talking about today. Did you find them affordable enough? Which one was your favorite? Which one are you definitely going to get now? Tell us in the comments. Do you have any products in mind that weren't mentioned in the video? Tell us about that too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It means a whole lot, and it goes a long way. So, until next time, Goodbye.